Saya check dulu one more time. Dia grounding sikit lah.
Dia
sakit.
macam tu.
Nak jalan boleh? Jom jalan, jom.
Jalan. Mami jalan sini ni.
Mami.
Tengok Mami jalan. Tengok jalan. Siapa tu?
See the hind leg kan? Nampak?
Nampak?
Shaky sikit lah.
Shaky, ya.
But
Shaky tu dia takut.
so obvious nak tu lah. Nak jumping tak? Nak tricks tak? Kakak bagi tricks.
2 jam.
Jalan satu-satu. Start tak nampak lah. Kena jalan banyak je.
Jalan banyak sikit, Mami. Mami.
Nah.
Okay. Mami try sana. Tu carry Mami. Okay, tengok Mami jalan. Nampak lain dia.
You banyak iklan lah you.
Okay.
How about I start off this right front ni? And then dia punya poop dia ada sedikit. Dia sebab slippery je kan. Not slipping leg kan. Dia normal je kan kaki dia.
Tapi but still tak berapa
Sometimes
kuat.
Slipping
Dia macam tak
If you
berapa
want to go check
kuat.
for jantung issue, kita boleh tolong buat kita buat pukul 10, hantar pukul 10, kita buat x-ray of the whole limb depan, limb belakang dia, and then kita ambil darah dia for pro-BNP. Either way pun dia, to be honest, maybe you can go back to the other clinic, repeat dia punya biochem juga, nak compare dia punya reading dia macam mana, sebab dah setahun. Tengok-tengok dah turun ke, ataupun anything else naik ke. If unfortunately naik, see how. Bisa tak rasa naik lah, nampak macam hello je. But we better be safe than sorry. But one more thing is, kalau kaki belakang you notice yang macam ada slipping tu, better go and check for jantung. Especially Tommy, the other cat tu kat rumah tu yang dia tak ada dah ke?
Dia tak ada dah.
Dia siblings ke?
Son.
We'll wait for Monday. We'll plan for radiograph all limbs. And then for dia punya jantung pro-BNP lah. Okay, NP. For the poop yang keras tu, I think before I start off with laxatives, why I set up terus bagi laxatives, sometimes too much laxative can cause issue dekat jantung dia.
Correct.
So I don't want it to do all that. So we just work on hydration. Plus the CKD, so she does need extra fluid in her body. So I think by feeding food with a lot of water pun dah sufficient, because plan dengan doktor lain tu once a week kan. So saya tak nak kacau yang sana. By adding on daily subcut, saya rasa kita buat add on fluid in dia punya diet dulu. Alright? And if you still notice after the supplement dia still macam limping, and I'll also give you anti-inflammatory. Anti-inflammatory yang safe sikit lah untuk dia. Dia still ada pain dekat situ, come by on Monday, we will do the x-ray. Kalau tak nak pun it's okay, kita still datang ambil darah dia untuk buat pro-BNP. Pro-BNP just to rule out issue jantung. And then if let's say if anything I should be concerned of, then we'll do an ultrasound and work from there lah. But saya tak rasa, but just to be safe lah. Okay, so the kaki sliding part, I don't see the the issue macam jantung yang saya cakap tadi tu, pada hitting semua tak ada for now. But if you're concerned about the leg, come by for that lah. CKD kita tahu dia very high chances of heart issue juga related. So at least if we detect early, settlekan awal.
Bagus lah.
Doktor yang kami kat sana pun dah ada cakap macam tu. Kena check. Bawa dia pergi check jantung.
Betul lah, I pun my budget is quite tight.
Ni 120 ni 180. Yang ini 120 tak silap. So so just come back to me whenever. Kalau nak try ubat makan ni dulu pun boleh, but just come back to me whenever, and we plan on dia punya ni lah. So kita akan hantar usually Monday and Friday sahaja, so you can just plan ahead whenever.
Is either Monday or Friday?
Monday or Friday kita akan hantar ke Shah Alam. So anytime lah, at your convenience. Okay, but for now I think we'll work with hydration dulu. Okay. Kalau nak
boleh dia have extra.
Mami tengok jadual Mami, makan Mami semua. Tunggu kakak kejap ya, tunggu doktor. Ini behave dia bukan main lagi ni. Tempat ni. Ya ke? Kat situ.